You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Leaf. Drive into the future in comfort and confidence in this well-equipped all-electric Leaf. This stylish four-door hatchback delivers earth-friendly efficiency, driver assist safety tech, cutting-edge connectivity, and a roomy interior with plush seating. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system. Don't miss the chance to take advantage of all-electric efficiency in this tech-forward Leaf. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.